From the front, the Suzuki Swift Hybrid 2025 Black looks bold and modern. Sharp headlights and a sleek grille define its confident style. The rear shows sleek taillights glowing bright. The hybrid badge adds a modern, eco-friendly touch. The left profile highlights smooth aerodynamic lines. It blends elegance with a sporty, compact look. On the right, its sculpted body stands out with glossy details. A design that feels sharp and premium. From above, the Swift Hybrid Black shows a clean roofline. The panoramic sunroof completes its modern look. The three-quarter view blends style with strength. Compact yet bold, the Swift Hybrid Black makes a strong impression. From a low angle, the grille looks powerful. The stance feels strong and commanding. At night, its headlights shine bright. The Swift Hybrid Black becomes a real head-turner. In a wide city view, the Swift Hybrid Black stands stylish. A car made for modern lifestyles. The hero shot shows the Swift Hybrid Black as compact yet iconic. Style and performance in one frame. The bold Suzuki grille makes a strong statement. A front identity that feels unique and confident. The LED headlights glow with sharp precision. A modern touch that lights the way ahead. Fog lamps add clarity on tough roads, a detail that adds both safety and style. Chrome detailing on the bumper gives a premium shine. It lifts the entire front look of the Swift Hybrid Black. The hood lines flow smoothly. They highlight aerodynamics and a clean, modern design. The Suzuki badge sits proudly at the front, a mark of trust and identity. The DRLS shine bright with a futuristic look. They add character to the Swift Hybrid Black. The wide windshield reflects the skyline, offering both style and clear visibility. The alloy wheel design adds sharpness. Together with the bumper, it creates a sporty stance. Chrome accents finish the premium look. Every detail feels crafted with care. The taillights glow bright and stylish. They ensure visibility and enhance design. The Swift badge highlights its proud legacy. Now reborn as a hybrid icon, the chrome bumper detail adds a polished finish. It elevates the rear styling. The exhaust detail shows sporty intent. Compact, yet performance-driven, the hybrid emblem highlights eco-friendly power. A small detail with a big message. The rear glass and wiper blend utility with design. Practical and stylish at once, the sporty roof spoiler adds energy. It completes the Swift Hybrid Black's dynamic design. At night, the rear lights stand out sharply. A bold signature in the dark city streets. The rear three-quarter view blends compact size with boldness. It looks ready for any journey. The wide rear shows strength and balance. A finish that matches its bold personality. The alloy wheels shine with precision. A touch of engineering and design together. The tire tread ensures grip and stability. Built for safety on every drive, the side mirrors are sleek and functional. With indicators, they add extra safety. The chrome door handles shine bright. A small feature with a premium effect. The side profile detailing feels sporty. It adds character to the Swift Hybrid Black. The fuel cap fits cleanly into the body lines. Simple, but well-designed, the glass reflects the city skyline. A blend of utility and urban style. The full side profile shows compact strength. A sleek stance made for city roads. The wheel arches add bold curves, enhancing its solid road presence. The sharp body lines flow across the car. They show Swift's dynamic styling. The interior feels sleek and modern. A cabin designed for comfort and technology. The steering wheel feels firm and stylish. Suzuki's logo stands at the center. The digital cluster glows bright. It keeps the driver fully connected. The infotainment screen feels sharp and advanced. Every feature is just a touch away. The gear shifter looks modern and premium. Smooth to touch and stylish in design, the rear seats are comfortable and spacious. A compact car with surprising room, fine stitching on the seats shows quality. A premium touch inside the Swift Hybrid. Black, the cup holders add simple convenience. Small features that improve the ride. The rear AC vents keep passengers cool. Comfort is built into every detail. The sunroof brings light and openness. A luxury touch for every drive.